Okay, to continue with our kickline routine, after we did our 6 eye-high kicks, we dropped our arms, we crossed the left over the right, and half the line did a half turn and re-wrapped. The other half on this side did a whole turn and re-wrapped. Now we're set up for our pinwheel. So we're going to go to the diagonal line for 4 marches. 1, 2, 3, 4, strut kick, strut kick. The strut kick is done without a jump. The leg just comes in and goes out 90 degrees. We do another 4 marches to get halfway around. Well, actually, a quarter of the way around. But you're going to come to a straight line like this, kick, kick, or you might be facing this way if you were on the other side of the room. And then we're going to take 7 marches to take that line, which is now straight, and make it turn this way. So you have 7 marches to get there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop your arms on 8. If you are coming around and you end up on this side, you will already be facing forward. However, if you're coming this way, when you get there on 7, you're going to have to turn around quickly to face front on 8. Okay? After we do that, you're going to have 8 marches. Now, depending on where you're standing, you're either using all of those to move forward or move back, or you're holding 2 in place and then using the rest of them to either move forward or back, or you're doing all of them in place. What happens after we do that is we end up making a V with the point towards the audience. When we're done with this, what happens is our lines are going to go through each other and we're going to end up in the opposite V. The way that we go through each other is if you're on the stage left side of the V, you're going to be stepping out and walking to the right. You're going to use your right leg and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Bring it in on 4, out on 5. Okay? If you were on the stage right side, you're going to be traveling to the left. You're going to start by stepping on your left. So everyone always steps with the leg closest to the direction in which they're moving. And then the second step is going to always cross in front, and then just grapevines front and back. So this side would go, your counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Everybody in on 4, out on 5. So you're looking into the middle of the V. This should help you with the arms, because when you're looking in, your arm would be down, because if your arm is up, you would be staring at your arm. That would feel wrong. So always remember that you're going to take your arms this way, or if you're on the other side, you would be here. Okay, so that's as far as we got. We're really getting close to the end now. What happens next is we're going to move through that V. We're going to come back to our original line. We're going to get back into our original places. And by the time we get there, it's going to be time to peel down the line, come back in, and repeat those kick line steps again. So when you hear, if you're listening to the music, when you hear the same words as before, weather-wise, it's such a lovely day, you know that you're going to repeat that exact same kick line steps that we did before. All the way up to the 6 eye-high kicks, okay? And then it's going to be a little bit different, but at that point we're almost done. So we will definitely finish the routine the next time I see you. Please keep practicing. You're going to have to go back and use some of the other videos so that you can piece everything together. And hopefully you remember where you were in the lineup so that you know exactly what to do. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can email me, you can ask me when you see me in class, and I can answer your questions as to which group am I in, where do I stand, do I move forward or backward, do I go right or left, because I know there's a lot of things going on. So if you do have any of those questions, again, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to answer for you. Keep on practicing and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.